Guangzhou Topten Electronics Factory is the original manufacturer of GPS tracker and car security products. Our key products are GPS vehicle tracker, GPS motorcycle tracker, GPS car alarm, and fleet management system. As the leading factory in this field ever since 2005, we have abundant experience in providing reliable and cost-effective solutions for GPS tracking and car security. We have wide sales network in overseas market, especially in Africa and South America. We have strong force in continuous research and development, which enables us to design and create the innovative products compiled with the market trend and customers' requirements. We have set up fully systematic and operational assembly lines with monthly production capacity of 5,000 sets and a strong flexibility in production which allow us to finalize some complex and urgent order in time. From our research teams to our assembly line, we are dedicated to timely production. Strict quality control is executed in each link of the whole production process. Every step is operated according to the requirements of CE, FCC, and ROHS, coupled with strict in-house quality control ensures that all our products conform to the highest international standards. Professional service, customer first is our principle. We take customer satisfaction as the life of our company. We are able to offer OEM, ODM service perfectly through our high-quality products, competitive prices, fast delivery, and satisfactory technical support. You are warmly welcome to cooperate with us.